The Water Corporation of Western Australia owns and operates one of the world's longest and oldest water pipelines. This engineering landmark was masterminded by the brilliant C.Y. O'Connor at the turn of the 20th century. The Goldfields and Agricultural Water Supply mainline conduit is 560 kilometres long and has been delivering water from Perth to Kalgoorlie for over 100 years. Today, 320 kilometres of the original pipe remains in service. The pipeline now supports more than $2.5 billion of economic activity annually, generated by thousands of farms, towns and mining concerns along its length. To protect the inside from corrosion, this pipeline was among the first to be lined with cement mortar, which remains the lining of choice in most potable water applications. The entire 560 kilometres was lined by hand in the 1930s. In the 1990s, this lining began to fail, and corrosion was seriously threatening the pipeline's integrity. An asset management plan concluded that a maintenance solution, rather than complete replacement of the pipe, was the most economical way to extend its effective life. To address this need, an entire suite of processes and equipment has been designed and developed in-house by the Water Corporation's innovative Pipeline Refurbishment Group. The refurbishment process involves an initial condition assessment, subsequent financial evaluation of renewal options, and implementation of the resulting maintenance and refurbishment solutions. Current capabilities of this sophisticated system include long-range camera inspection, condition assessment based on the data gathered, water flow bypassing, lining removal, mortar relining, and post-lining inspection. Refurbishment is carried out using state-of-the-art equipment, including a range of self-powered vehicles that work safely and continuously inside the pipe. The degraded cement lining is removed by a remotely operated vehicle which blasts high-pressure water from rotating lances fitted with tungsten jets. This vehicle is controlled from an external office via an optical fibre cable and is supplied with high-pressure water by a 19mm hose. Transferring at a rate of 250 litres per minute and a pressure up to 1400 bar, this jet of water cuts the old lining from the pipe wall. The blasting vehicle is pulled through the pipe by a pair of remote-controlled wireline winches located at both ends of the work section. Most of the debris is then scraped out, and the remaining fine residual is flushed from the pipe by an array of jets mounted at the front of the blasting vehicle, leaving the pipe shell clean and ready for relining. The lining vehicle features a mortar reservoir and pump, battery and application trolleys coupled together. The operator commences the lining application at the furthermost point from the mixing plant and then reverses back along the pipe so as not to run over the freshly laid lining. The vehicle's mortar reservoir is refilled via a manned mortar transfer vehicle, which shuttles back and forth between the mixing plant and the lining vehicle, allowing for near-continuous operation. As the new lining is approved, the pipe cutouts are progressively reinstated. Once the relevant section has been completed, that part of the pipeline is returned to service. These unique maintenance solutions are extremely adaptable. The entire refurbishment process and fleet of special-purpose vehicles can be readily adapted to suit any specific customer requirements. The Goldfields pipeline may be 760 millimetres in diameter, but our maintenance solutions can be modified to suit a variety of pipe diameters to provide either isolated. These innovative asset management optimization solutions have been recognised with 3 prestigious awards for engineering excellence. The Pipeline Refurbishment Group has a proud philosophy of continuous innovation and improvement, and future plans include the development of a remotely operated lining machine, advanced safety systems, lower deployment costs, and increased productivity rates. For further information, contact the Water Corporation.